Okay, so let's come directly to the point. So here comes the 2022, and in 2022, do you want to become viral and earn money? So the easiest way to earn money and become viral is becoming a YouTuber. So in this video, I'm just gonna teach you how to create a professional looking YouTube channel, and I'm just gonna share some of my tips to grow on YouTube. So without wasting any more time, let's move on to the video.
Step number 1 is opening Google Chrome in your PC. So after opening Google Chrome in your PC, search YouTube in the search bar and go to the first link of youtube.com. After going to this link, if you already have a Google account, then maybe it is signed in. But if you don't have, you just need to click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, type your email if you have your account. If you don't have your account, click on create account. Now we have 3 types of account: for myself, for my child, and to manage my business. So if you are going to work on YouTube just by yourself, not with your team, then you can go with for myself. If you are going to work with your team, so you can go to manage my business. So now as you can see, I'm signed in with my account. Now what I want to create a professional YouTube channel using this Gmail account. So I just need to click right over here on the logo of my Gmail account. After clicking there, you just need to click on create a channel. After clicking on create a channel, here you just need to type your channel name. So I have already created a video in which I told you how you can select a better channel name to grow on YouTube and your channel will be searchable. You can also see that video before adding your channel name. So I'm just gonna add here a channel name, YouTube, okay, YouTube growth, okay. Then upload a channel picture, means upload a channel logo. So if you want to learn how to create a professional channel logo in PC or in mobile, you can see the videos in description, and also it's mentioned in I button. So let's click on upload a logo. Now after uploading the logo and typing your channel name, just click on create channel. After clicking on create channel, and then it will show you something like this. So it means your channel has been created. Now there are some of the settings which are pending to create your channel professional. So now if you want to learn how you can add a professional about section to your channel, then you can just click on the I button. I have already mentioned a video right over there. Otherwise you can go to the description and learn how to create a professional about information for your channel. So let's move to the next step. In the next step, I'm just going to tell you some of the settings which you need to do to create your channel more realistic. Customize channel. After clicking on customize channel, it will show you some of the settings to customize your channel. And here it is. Welcome to YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio is an extension of YouTube in which you can manage your statistic of YouTube. So let's click on continue. After clicking on continue, here it is, the channel customization. Okay. So we don't have any video yet, so in the layout we don't need to do nothing, just simply move on to the branding. So in the branding you can change your logo and you can upload a banner image. So let's try to upload a banner image. So in banner image I'm just gonna choose my banner which I have created. So then video watermark. So what is a video watermark? Whenever you upload a video on YouTube, you will get a watermark in the right corner of your video. So that watermark is known as video watermark. You can add anything right over here, and I'm just gonna click on done. You can see this is the video watermark which will come to your video. So whenever you want to show this, just make it entire video because it's good, and it even give you a branding of your video. You can add your photo, you can add a subscribe button, everything you want you can add. Then you can click on publish. After clicking on publish, the settings are published and they are visible. So now our channel has been finally created. Now the layout option and the basic information option, I have created a separate video for these two parts because if you have started your channel, firstly you need to learn how to create a YouTube video, then how to edit that video. So after you have 10 videos on your channel, then you can see my third video, how to set up the layout of your channel. Okay, so these videos are mentioned in description, and I have created a playlist which is in the I button. You can just click on that playlist and see all these videos step by step. So now let's see view channel, and let's see how our channel will look like to the audience. So as you can see, this is the banner, this is the logo, this is the name. Okay, so you can upload the videos here. So my dear friends, in today's video, it's only this. I hope you like this video. Please consider subscribe my channel and like this video if you think that this content was helpful for you. So bye bye.